Have you ever considered the magic that resides in a bottle of olive oil? It's not just a mere drizzle to your salad or a companion to your bread, but a mystical elixir that has been revered for centuries. The olive tree, a symbol of peace and wisdom, has its roots deeply embedded in the Mediterranean region. From there, it has traveled far and wide, spreading its charm across various cultures, continents, and cuisines. But the olive tree's real magic lies in its fruit, pressed to yield a golden liquid that's more than just a kitchen staple. This liquid gold, as it's often called, has been a part of sacred rituals, a symbol of prosperity, and a source of medicinal benefits. Today, we're not just going to talk about any olive oil, we're going to reveal the health benefits hidden within this magical potion. So, get ready to see this common kitchen ingredient in a whole new light. If you're ready to embark on this journey of discovery, then keep listening as we delve deeper into the mystical world of olive oil. Often referred to as liquid gold, olive oil has been cherished for its numerous health benefits. How does it earn this golden title, you ask? Well, it's all in the composition. Olive oil is a nutritional powerhouse boasting a rich supply of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and vitamins. These monounsaturated fats are heart-healthy fats, known for their role in reducing bad cholesterol levels. Then we have antioxidants, the tiny soldiers fighting against harmful free radicals in our bodies. And let's not forget the vitamins, specifically vitamins E and K, each playing its own crucial role in our body's overall health. It's this unique blend of nutrients that makes olive oil a veritable elixir of health, a liquid gold if you will. But don't just take our word for it, the proof, as they say, is in the pudding, or in this case, the olive oil. Now you might be wondering, what are these health benefits? Let's find out. So, what makes olive oil so beneficial for our health? Well, let's start with heart health. Olive oil is a key component of the Mediterranean diet, widely recognized for its heart-healthy benefits. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to lower levels of bad cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. So, it's not just a tasty addition to your salad, it's a heart-hugging hero in disguise. Now, let's move on to its anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has similar anti-inflammatory effects to ibuprofen, a common over-the-counter pain reliever. Imagine that, savoring your favorite pasta while secretly fighting inflammation. Quite a delicious plot twist, isn't it? But wait, there's more. Olive oil also shines in promoting digestive health. It helps to lubricate the digestive tract, making the process of digestion smoother and gentler. So the next time you're enjoying that crusty bread dipped in olive oil, remember, you're not just indulging your taste buds, you're also doing your digestive system a favor. And let's not forget about skin benefits. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that nourish your skin, keeping it supple and radiant. It's like having a secret spa treatment right from your kitchen. What a luxurious little secret. Right about now, you're probably thinking, this is too good to be true. Well, my friends, it's time to hit that subscribe button to keep these health revelations coming. We promise, there's plenty more where that came from. So, whether you're in London or Los Angeles, we can all agree that olive oil is a health hero. But hold on, we're not done yet. There's more to this golden elixir. So, have we managed to impress upon you the magic of olive oil? Let's take a moment to remember the journey we've embarked on together. We've delved into the enchanting world of olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, and learned about its numerous remarkable health benefits, from bolstering heart health to supplying essential nutrients and potent antioxidants. But let's not forget one significant benefit that's worth highlighting. Studies have found that the regular consumption of olive oil can help the risk of dementia. The magic of olive oil extends beyond its health benefits though. It's a versatile addition to your culinary adventures, enhancing flavors while nourishing your body. It's not just a cooking ingredient, it's a choice that can lead to a healthier and potentially more lucid future. So why not take the leap? Incorporate olive oil into your diet and experience the benefits for yourself. After all, the true magic of olive oil lies not just in the bottle, but in how you use it, in how it becomes a part of your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.